Welcome to our channel if you're having trouble resetting your Affinity Credit Union password. You've come to the right place if you're locked out of your Affinity Credit Union account and need to reset your password. The process is straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. First, visit the official Affinity Credit Union website and locate the Login section. Below the Login fields, you will find a link labeled Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the reset process. You will be prompted to enter your username or your registered email address. Input the required information accurately and submit it. Next, Affinity Credit Union will verify your identity. This typically involves answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS on your registered mobile number. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the designated field on the website. After successful verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Confirm the password by retyping it, then submit the change. Once you complete these steps, you will be able to log in using your new password immediately. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to contact Affinity Credit Union's customer support for direct assistance. Remember to keep your password secure and update it regularly to protect your account from unauthorized access.